Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by taking control of the environment. Sit where motion is least felt and face the horizon. Once seated, stabilize your head using a firm headrest or travel pillow to reduce conflicting inner ear signals. Make sure to take a small ginger chew or sip water immediately. Ginger soothes gastric nerves and keeps you calmer. Also practice slow diaphragmatic breathing to lower sympathetic arousal. These actions together reduce sensory mismatch and give you immediate relief while you move to sustained strategies. Once you've stabilized, maintain a steady visual reference by focusing on the horizon or a distant fixed object. This recalibrates visual vestibular input and reduces conflict. Next, use a P6 acupressure band on your wrist to blunt nausea signals. Press and hold for repeated cycles. Make sure to increase airflow and lower cabin temperature. Cool, fresh air calms vestibular stimulation. If you need medication, take a single dose of a recommended antiemetic before symptoms peak, following package directions. As you finish the journey, disembark slowly and keep head movements minimal for 5 to 10 minutes so your inner ear can recalibrate. Once off, lie down or sit in a stable environment and close your eyes if dizzy. This reduces conflicting signals. If nausea persists, take small sips of electrolyte solution and avoid solids until calm. Troubleshooting tip: if vomiting, severe dehydration, or prolonged disorientation occur, seek medical help. Those signs mean symptom control needs clinical assessment rather than home remedies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.